video, we will study the bridge rectifier. Okay, and let's see how this works. Here is the circuit. So we have Vs voltage drop from here to here. So this is negative, this is positive. Our 0 volt is over here. Okay, so what we see is when this is positive as compared to here, okay, then diode D1 is on and D2 is on, and D4 and D3 will be off. So the current will flow from here in this direction, go through here, come back, and then go like this. So that's our loop in this direction, right? And D1 and D2 are on, and D3 and D4 are off. On the other hand, when this one is positive and this one is negative, then D3 and D4 are on and these two are off. In that case, the current goes through here, through here, through here, and back. So it goes in this direction, in this, up and back. So what we notice is, in both cases, that the direction of the current through the load resistor was in this direction, from right to left. So that means the output voltage is rectified. It's always non-negative, it's never negative. Okay, so that's one thing we see. And we also see that, let's say when D1 is on and D2 is on, the voltage here is 0 volt. So there's a voltage drop here. So this is negative VD here. This one is Vs higher than this, so it'll be Vs minus VD. Then we have a voltage drop because D1 is on. So this voltage becomes Vs minus 2 VD. This one is 0. So the voltage drop across the load is Vs minus 2 VD. Okay? And we see that here. So the black one is the input, but the drop, the blue one is below the black one by twice VD. Not VD as before, but twice VD. And of course, you see the blue line starts when the input voltage will be more than 2 VD, right? And then it stays positive for each part of the cycle. Now to find PIV, what we see, let's look at D3, because D3 is off. So the voltage here is negative VD, voltage on top is Vs minus 2 VD. So that means the peak inverse voltage will be Vs minus 2 VD minus negative VD. So that'll be positive VD, so it'll become Vs minus VD. Okay, that is the peak inverse voltage for this case.